What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon that comes to you guys with a brand new video, and today we're going off-roading. We're taking the Lexus off-roading. I do have Brian and Nancy in the car as well, but we're going to be meeting with a couple people here very shortly. I'm super excited to see how this is going to handle the roads. Honestly, we've never taken it off-roading. It's going to be the first time, and you guys are going to witness it. We're kind of waiting for everybody to get here, but they should be here within the next 10-15 minutes. Got the whole gang with us. Gang. Brian is the cameraman for today. I'm excited. There's like a little mini chair right here. Why don't you just take that? You're gonna get stuck. No, I'm just kidding. I kind of want to take it. A little mini chair right there. Anyways, we're waiting for everybody to all get here. But once we get here, we'll go ahead and hit the trails. Like I said, never taken this thing off-roading before, and I'm super excited. If you guys have been watching for a little bit, you guys know we had the 4Runner. We've taken that off-roading once, but nothing crazy. It's basically been like a trail. But I'm super excited to see what this thing can do. But let's go ahead and wait for everybody else.
Oh,
just get that out of the way. Yeah, that's gonna be annoying. Kind of wish we were down.
Sorry. Oh my gosh.
Damn. I was more scared from my side step right there. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know how high it is off the ground.
Last one to throw up by dinner.
Shouldn't it be the first?
No, it should not be the first.
Why you wrong by dinner?
Not use these? Keep going. Oh, here's one.
That hill was literally nothing. Huh? I want to hear down too. Hit the running board. Cool, little tap.
It's hot out here, man.
I know you guys are making fun of me for wearing shorts. Or she was. Air down the tires. I recommended this from the jump. Never been here, but I definitely recommended it. A little bit of a better ride. Shout out to Last Fit. I don't even know if I still have the promo code, to be honest with you.
The baby's coming. The baby's coming. You're good. You're so good. You're good. There's a big.
Oh my god.
Keep on coming.
Good job, babe. Careful.
Kind of scared. Should I go right a little bit? On the rim?
You can.
The other thing is, if I go right, I feel like the more it goes this way, the more my running boards are gonna hit. That's the one I'm scared about.
It's
We
probably
should-
gonna hit right there.
Huh?
It's probably gonna hit right
Right
there.
here?
Yeah.
That's what I figured. How the fuck did I get up here?
I don't know how you're gonna get back in.
Did you?
We don't think logically. We're men.
Back a little bit. Got a thumbnail?
Brandon likes it muddy. The muddy? Roll it up.
Oh God.
That was that cool.
The Polar's fucking dipped in that shit.
Yeah, they were in.
Their helmets got dirty. That's crazy.
Rocks in the way.
You got it.
You guys wanna get in? That's wild. Is that good or what?
Good job, baby.
Honestly, I sure.
Not here, man. That's a car.
That is definitely a car.
You're gonna be so dirty. You're in her. Yes.
Man, just kidding.
This thing needs a bath. When we got back, it was really late last night. Didn't really have time to wash the Lexus, but oh my god, this whole thing is literally so dirty. My wheels are dirty. I think the other side wheels are even worse. Oh yeah, look at that, dude. They're basically bronze. They look like T37 Blast bronze. Yeah, it's time to wash these things. Let's give this car a bath.
Dark.
Just finished washing the Lexus. It's actually over there across the street. Now we're gonna wash a little Fit. We should wash the Civic too. You don't want to wash the Civic? What you mean by? How come we don't want to wash the Civic?
The new owner can watch it.
What you mean new owner can watch it?
Yeah.
Cannon. That be Molly Rock.